In this video I will show you how to convert any image to a PDF file. First, open the image on your computer by double-clicking on the image icon. The picture will open in the Photos application. If a window appears to select an application to open the image, as I have on my screen, then select the Photos application and click on one of the buttons at the bottom of the window. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Once the image is open, click on the Print button at the top of the window. In the print window that appears, open the printer list and select the Microsoft Print to PDF option. You can set the rest of the settings to your liking. Then click the Print button. In the window that appears, select where to save your PDF file and enter a file name. Then click on the Save button. The PDF file will be created and saved in the specified location. Thank you for watching.